Hi everyone! So this is my Black Saturday mini-series. Di ba? Day? Kaya pa ba day? Ingon kay holiday. Agoy, init naman pod ng naong nako din ha. Parang dragon lang. Sige day. Sige, pandigan mo lahat yan day. Sige. Hot daday. Di, pwede na ni mo ibilin diha day. Kay? Sige, ponita day. Anak lang dyan ang beauty day. Basta holiday. Kunay gingon. It's time for Jesus and of course, time for the household chores. And of course, syempre, kay nanguha tayo ng sampay, iano pa day. Mamilo na naman tayo day. Wag nang magmugot day. Mugot na naman ang ating naong day. Sige, butang. Di naman kayo halata na wala tayong ligo, day. Walang ligo-ligo, day, kasi wala ring tubig, day, Ayan, muntik na rin nakita yung ano, day. Sige, wag naman masuko sa sininga, day. Hinay-hinayin mo lang, day. Humana na, day. Syempre, maghugas po tayo. Igibiyaan mo. Sige, maghugas ka na naman, day. Okay na, day. Ganyan talaga pag holiday day. Hindi pwede man lipay-lipay. Lipay now. Kung zaman, trabaho na pod later. Wala. Kay human naman tayo manghugas pagka human ana, agoy. Halata naggutom tayo kaayo sa mga trabaho day. Bahala yung mga batulong day. Basta kay lamon is life day. Kay lisod pag sige trabaho day, walay lamon. Medyo kit-kitan of education tayo, day. Kasama talaga yan, day. Siguro nakin mo lahat, day. Sayang, day, may aqua flask pang nalalaman si Inday. Kahit batulon. Okay lang. Basta may aqua flask. Agoy, nasa langit na ba ako? Okay na, day. Lamit kayong bugnaw, day. Labi nag-init ang panahon. Bye for now, guys. Thank you.